Welcome back to CDI. I am Piyush Chankeshwara, International Certified Choreographer and member of International Dance Council, that is CID. As well as I am the founder and CEO of Choreographers Dance Institute. Now some of you will ask me like, sir, I don't want to become a professional dancer or dance teacher. I don't want to do career in this field. Then why should I learn this all dance styles of 4 or 5 or something like that? I will learn only dances in one style, or I will learn the choreographies. Then my answer would be like this: for those people, that doesn't matter you want to do career or not, but you have to take the knowledge basically of a dance style which are you interested to do. If you love contemporary, you have to learn contemporary. If you love Bollywood, you have to learn Bollywood dance style. But it's like if you learn more than one dance style, it will be helpful for you to set up the choreographies. With the help of these two dance styles, you will make a different choreography that will be exciting, more exciting for you also and your audience also. Then you can learn as a hobby also. There is no need to learn in a professional way. That don't think also that you are learning for your profession. See, you have to do what you love. Make your career what you love to do. This is very serious point and decision maker, I will say life maker point, what you choose for yourself. I'm not saying that do career in dance field because I am a choreographer and I have chosen this field for me. I'm trying to say that just do what you like to do. If you are confused in between dance and other fields, then my answer is that learn dance in as much you can, not just choreographies, but a professional courses. Because maybe after some time you can take a proper decision between dance and other fields. Because learning more, because giving more time in a dance field, you will get more interested, you will get more knowledge, and then maybe you love to do career in dance field. So I will say just till your confusion is not over, you have to learn dance professional courses, not choreographies. My dear friends, I will say that seriously you love to dance and you want just choreographies, don't join any class in the world. You will get all types of choreographies on YouTube. Just pay 200 or 250 rupees for your net balance. Download that YouTube and learn as much you can. But this will be a ratta popat. You will be a good copyist dancer, not well trained or well educated choreographer or dancer. Then think over it. If you want to learn a professional courses, then go to classes or institute or schools of dance. Rather than that, you can learn from YouTube. Don't waste your time and money, and don't waste your sir's time in investing you, because he is investing his time for you and you are just wasting your teacher's time by learning only choreographies. Unless and until the choreography is needed for any competition or international levels or national levels or anything like that, where you need to be a professional, you need a professional choreographer, where you need a professional choreography, till then YouTube is okay for you. Otherwise, learn the choreography in a class or institute or school with the help of your sir or your teacher. Then it will be helpful and it will be fully used of your energy, money and time. Then it is a full use of these three combination. Rather than that, it will be wasting your time and your teacher's time. So here you have to choose like what you want to do. If you are interested, do dance. Otherwise, just forget all things and do what you love. I hope it will be fine and helpful video for you to choose your career, because everyone in this age who is in 10th or 11th, 12th, they are literally confused in what to choose as a career. Some of you are loving dance but don't know how to do career in this. Now, the second point is how to do career in this. Dance field itself, when you dance career itself starts from you take admission as a student. Just you have to clear your vision to your teacher what you want to become. If you want to become a dance teacher, choreographer, dance professional dancer, just clear this vision to your teacher, then he or she will help you and guide you to make your dreams fulfilled. Simple is that. But you have to be a passionate and patient person for do career in this field. This is not a Aladdin Chirag field where you are going to rub that Chirag and your genie is going to come out and say Hukum mere Aaka, and you are going to say I want to become a dancer, just give me that. It is not like that. It's all about practice, giving your time, efforts, and you have to be patient. Then the question is how much time you have to be invest in this career, and when you will be the professional, and when you can do dance. This is all depend on your practice. As much you are giving your time in this field, and you can achieve as earlier as it is possible for you by practicing and giving your time in this field. I will say this is applicable for each and every field. You have to just give your fully focused dedication time to that career, and then your career will be boosted up. But for that, sobat ki ek baar, practice makes man perfect. So for doing the career, just clear your vision and set the goal. Let's take an example like you want to become a professional dancer. Then you have to just clear the goal and vision to your teacher, and just follow what your teacher is going to tell you and teach you. Then you can make a career, and this will help you to achieve your dreams. There is nothing rocket science behind this, how to become a professional or how can do the career in this field. Just you have to clear your visions. So goal decide कीजिए, and then you can achieve your dreams and do the best in the career. I hope this will help you to achieve and decide what you want and what is best for you. If any questions regarding how to set goals and how to start journey in dance field, please don't forget that we have comment section below. Ask your questions here and I will solve it if it's possible for me, and I will solve it. So I hope की तुम्हाला आजचा हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल आणि तुम्ही काहीतरी नवीन माहिती घेतली असेल जी आजपर्यंत तुमच्यासाठी अनोळखी होती. I will teach you bachata, Bollywood, salsa, contemporary and many more dance styles in CDI. जर अजून अशीच तुम्हाला डीप माहिती हवी असेल, डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन हवी असेल आणि प्रोफेशनल डान्स शिकायचा असेल तर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समधील दिलेल्या नंबरवर कॉन्टॅक्ट करा आणि तुम्हाला सूट होईल जो तुमच्यासाठी बनलेला आहे तो डान्स स्टाईल आणि तो कोर्स चूज करा आणि त्याची माहिती घ्या and be the professional dancer. Dance is waiting for you guys. Hurry up. So I hope की लवकरात लवकर तुम्ही तुमचं सीट बुक करचाल आणि तुम्हाला आवडणारा कोर्स जॉईन करचाल. जर तुम्ही इथपर्यंत व्हिडिओ बघितला असेल तर प्लीज आय रिक्वेस्ट यू टू सबस्क्राईब आवर चॅनल, like the video and share as much as you can. I recommend you to share those people who are interested to learn dance, because हे एपिसोड सर्वांसाठी आहे ज्यांना डान्समध्ये खूप इंटरेस्ट आहे. हे मॅटर नाही करत की तुम्ही डान्स कधी शिकला आहात का नाही. सो शेअर ॲज मच यू कॅन. So guys, see you on next episode. Till then, be happy, stay safe and always keep dancing.